welcome back to the CreateHER Lab. Today I've got a different video for you. I've actually brought you into our new home and we are still moving in and unpacking, so I'm just taking you along with me, showing you the process of how my little CreateHER Lab is coming together. And this might be like the fast forward of the process, but I just wanted to show you guys my workspace and what I end up doing with it. I'm not gonna make it too cluttered, and there's gonna be a lot more that I wanna do in this space, but for now, we're just gonna see what we can do. So I got my husband in here helping me. He hung my curtains, my curtain rod.
That's right, that's right.
I'm trying to see if he'll let me hang up that mirror on the floor. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. With the lights. And so then of course we can change the color.